Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through 5 websites to get free traffic for affiliate marketing business. So this is literally 100% free. There's no investment needed. You don't have to pay anything and there's no credit card information required or whatsoever. So you can literally start right after finish watching this video. Alright, so before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, clickbank affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. So consider subscribing if that type of content is your jam, and don't forget to smash the like button so that I know you like this type of content, and then I can produce more content similar to this in the future. Okay, so our first website among 5 websites is called Quora. Okay, head off to Quora. So for your information, Quora is a very powerful website. So let's take a look at how much traffic that this site has been generating every single month. So as you can see, 900 million every single month. That is very powerful. And if you take a look down here, the United States is 38%, 38% out of 100% traffic were coming from United States, and United Kingdom 6, and Canada 4. Okay, so as you can see, United States is a very high quality traffic whereby you can rely on this traffic in order to sell almost everything, because the purchasing power is very powerful from United States, right? So that's the powerful of this Quora site. So for your information, Quora is actually a question and answer based platform whereby you can utilize this site to drive traffic, a lot of traffic, and the most important thing, a lot of targeted traffic to your website, to your YouTube channel, to your blog, or wherever you want drive them to. Okay, but you cannot do direct linking in Quora because they're going to unpublish, or they're going to ban your account. So what you can do instead, you can find any question. For example, like if you want to sell like affiliate marketing, so simply type affiliate marketing, and then you're going to simply click this one, and then you're going to be able to see a lot of, I'm sorry, I think I have misspelled it, affiliate marketing. Click enter, and then you're going to be able to see bunch of questions that related to affiliate marketing, right? So how can I start affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? How do I earn in affiliate marketing? And etc, etc. So if you have some sort of knowledge about affiliate marketing, for example, let's take a look at this question over here. You can go to a direct answer on this question. Okay, so as you can see here, 1,900 has been following this question. Means that once you publish an answer, all these people is going to get notified from your question, your answer. Okay, so take a look at this guy over here. So this is the answer from this guy, which is Brian Gabriel. So you can do the exact same thing if you have some sort of knowledge. So this is just for example, you can answer whatever question that related to your niche in Quora. Okay, so as you can see, 1,000 people has viewed this question, and then it has he has 9 upvotes. Okay, so what you can do here, instead of just simply asking the question, you can also do hyperlink like this. All right, so if I click on this one, it's going to take me to this offer vault over here. Okay, so instead of doing this, what you can do instead is you might want to land them over to your landing page, for example, or maybe your blog, and then because you'll not be able to put your direct linking on your Quora answer, so that you might want to drive them to your blog first, and then you can sell them after that on your blog. All right, so another cool thing is you can go to your profile. For example, I go to my profile here, take a look at my profile. You can also put your link, maybe your blog link or maybe your YouTube channel in here, and then once people consume your content, and when they find your content is valuable and they wanted to learn more from you, they're going to check out your profile, and then they can also go through all your answer on your profile over here. Okay, so that is traffic source number 1. So that brings us to this traffic source number 2, which is MeWe.com. For your information, MeWe is actually some sort of social media. Same goes with Facebook as well. So it has a group, it has pages, and this is your news feed. Okay, what most interesting about MeWe, and I couldn't find on any other social media, is it has the group chat, right? So let's take a look at this one here. So this is the group chat. Okay, so for example, if I click on the group chat, so I'm going to land over to this page. Just want to show you the whole picture of this chat, right? So this is a group chat for the Make Money Online group in MeWe. Okay, so as you can see here, so many people are actually instead of sharing, they are spamming. They were spamming a lot of content, right? So they kind of like tell people like, please buy my stuff, please buy my stuff. That is not the thing that you want to do here, right? So I just want to give you some tips here. The best and the powerful of MeWe, it has the voice recording here, right? So instead of keep on spamming like all these people is doing, what you need to do, what you can do instead is simply click on the voice and then start voice recording. All right, so the thing is, you want to stand out among all the crowd here, among all your competitors here. Okay, so once you start recording, and you might want to share content instead of spamming. Okay, so what you can do is start sharing your content related to whatever you want. Okay, so for example, like maybe you are in affiliate marketing, so just introduce yourself for the group, because you are a new member here. Just say like, hello, I'm Zadi Mustafa. So this is my first post here. I would like to share a few tips in order to make your first sale in affiliate marketing, right? So something like that. And then you can put your blog link or your landing page link, but still don't spam. All right, do not put your direct affiliate link in this group, because you won't be able to do that. I'm afraid you're gonna get banned, right? But instead, you can redirect them to your YouTube channel, or to your website, or to your blog. Okay, I hope you got the idea. Okay, so that is the traffic source number 2, and then we're going to go to traffic source number 3, which is Hercules. Right, type in hercules.com. So this one is slightly different, because this is actually a free list. You literally will be able to send your email, or you send your promotion to thousands of email every single day. Okay, so advanced marketing, advertise to 1,000 daily for literally free. Okay, this is the powerful about the Hercules sites. Okay, take a look here. This is trusted for almost 20 years and 100% real traffic, real people. You're not going to sending your promotion to the bot, but instead to the 100% real people. Okay, so you can also earn 50% affiliate commission when you get signed up from other people under your affiliate link. Right, so I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you how everything's work. So once you get signed in, and then you can see, you can land over to this page. All right, so you're gonna need to go through the rules. There's no porn or illegal business opportunity that you can be promoting with this email. So it has two options, which is the free version. This is a regular mailer and the credit mailer. You can you're gonna need to invest some money upfront if you want to go for credit mailer, and you'll be able to send out to 155,000 people every single day. But with the credit mailer, you just be able to send free members can send at 1,000 random members only. Okay, so that is the downside for the regular mailer, which is the free, but it's still worth it, right? So who is going to send you 1,000 email lists for literally free? Okay, so what you can do here is you're going to get your ad copy and put it on the subject line here, and then the URL, which is your affiliate link. So this is very, very crucial. Don't forget about put on your affiliate link, and then your body email over here. Okay, so I just want to share with you how to get the ad copy to promote your affiliate product, right? So by the way, before I forget, this website is particularly the list. I mean, the list is more to the make money online niche, right? So if you want to utilize this hercules.com list, you need to promote something that related to money, right? Like affiliate marketing, make money online, email marketing, and etc. It won't work with any other niche. Okay, so in order to do that, you can simply go to the marketplace on ClickBank. So if you haven't signed up already, you can sign up. It is 100% free. There's no investment needed in the marketplace ClickBank. And then I'm going to go to e-business and e-marketing, because this is the only niche that works perfectly well with hercules.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at the JV page, right? Because we want to get the email swipe, all right? So then we can literally just copy and paste, register. Okay, I'm going to need to register. I don't want to do that here. And then let's take a look at this one. So what you can do is just simply copy and paste the swipe, and then you don't have to write it on your own. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, click here if you have already subscribed. All right, so it's very, very simple. Okay, cool. So this is the thing that we are looking for. So what you can do is simply copy all these things. Hey, okay, this is the subject, important message. Maybe you want to make bank money, for example. Okay, so just go to the Hercules and then type subject line, and then you're going to take the link, affiliate link, and then generate hot links, and then copy your link, go back to Hercules, simply paste it here. Oops. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the body and copy everything here, and then copy, go back to the Hercules and paste it here. Right, so now you're good to go. So maybe you want to adjust a little bit of the words. I think that's pretty good. And then you might want to put your name here, for example Zaidi, and then simply click submit. Once you click submit, all this your email is going to be sending to 1,000 members on Hercules. Okay, so then you can actually make a couple of accounts if you want to send more than 1,000, or if you have 10 account on Hercules, you're going to be able to send like 10,000 of email every single day. So that is the idea, that is the little trick that I want to share with you. So you just use the free regular mailer first, and then once you get some profit, then you can reinvest it back with the credit mailer, right? So because then you will be able to send 100,000 email per day. Okay, so that brings us to our fourth website, which is gap.com. Okay, head off to gap.com. You're going to be able to land over this site. So for your information, gap.com is actually some sort of social media similar to Facebook and similar to MeWe as well. But the best part about gap.com, I want to drive your attention to this particular site here, is take a look at the traffic here. Okay, 65% of the traffic were coming from United States, and as you can see, all these five countries are the first tier country in the world. Means that their purchasing power is very high, right? So you don't want to miss this opportunity to sell your product, your affiliate product, to all these people here, because this site has a very high quality traffic. So similar to MeWe, what you can do here is you can go to group, and then you want to promote the product in the group. All right, so it has the featured group filter here. So you want to feature the group first, because this site is relatively new. So what you can do is you want to sort the group by the member count, so that you can see the most group the group with the most members. Okay, so take a look at all this group here. So you might want to check the group that has the product are available on ClickBank. For example, like maybe this gardening, for example, right? So you can literally find the gardening product on ClickBank. Okay, you go to down here, I think it is under home and garden, right? For example, so you can also sort by survival. Okay, survival, it also has the survival product on the ClickBank. I think it's under reference, or maybe under self-help. So survival here. Okay, so you might want to choose the group first, because as you can tell, the product, the site is relatively new, so they don't have too many, like 1 million members in the group. They just have, the most is 359,000. That's why you want to sort by the group first, and then you can pick up your product later on based on the group that you could filter over here. Okay, so the benefit of this site is the traffic is very high quality. Okay, so that is number 4, and then it brings us to the last but not least, which is Pinterest. Okay, so for your information, Pinterest is very powerful. So let's take a look at the traffic for Pinterest every single month. Okay, I'm going to pull these things out. I'm going to show you how many traffic Pinterest getting. So as you can see here, Pinterest has almost 1.25 billion views, billion visitors every single month, and the bounce rate is relatively low as well. Okay, and take a look at the country as well. So 41% of the visitors were coming from United States. All right, so this is a very powerful site. So for your information, Pinterest is not a social media, but instead a search engine. Okay, so for example, if I would type in like affiliate marketing here, and then I'm sorry, a bit typo here, affiliate marketing, right? So you can see bunch of pins that related to affiliate marketing, right? How to make 10,000, how I increase my affiliate earning, and etc, etc. 5 affiliate program to increase your income. Okay, so what all these people were doing is actually they're going to create a pin like this, and then they're going to redirect them to any page or any platform that they are desire, right? For example, let's take a look at this one. If I click this pin, and then once I click this pin, I'm going to redirect to the cashembrace.com, right? So let's try it out. Okay, so this is the site that I currently in right now. So this is might be like someone else's blog. So you can also do the exact same thing. It is completely okay whether you want to direct your audience to your blog or your YouTube channel or anywhere. Okay, so that is basically what Pinterest is. Okay, so how to create this type of pin is very easy. You can also you can head off to Canva. By the way, Canva is actually free editing software whereby you can create like a pin, like your Instagram post, your Facebook post, your Facebook timeline, or whatsoever. Okay, so what you can do is simply type in Pinterest here, Pinterest pin, and then you're going to click on the Pinterest pin, and then you can create your own pin here, right? So it has several different templates here you can choose from, or maybe you want to simply create from blank. Just click on the blank, and then you can start to create your pins. All right, so it has a lot of features. By the way, Canva personally I think is very powerful software. You don't even need to have any skill in Photoshop or like prior skill in order to create a pin or in order to create any graphic on Canva. All right, so it has like elements here. You can use like you know, the shape here, and if you want to type in something, you can use the tags, and then you can also upload any file, any picture from your desktop in here. Okay, so then once you are done, you can click download, and then you can download, and then you can head off to Pinterest, and then you can upload your pin on your Pinterest. Okay, so that is our 5th website, which is our last website. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. This is all the 5 websites that you can drive your traffic literally free to your affiliate offer. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy this content, and don't forget to smash the like button if you like it, so that I know you like this type of content. I can produce more content similar to this in the future. Okay, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.